exam preparations. The model answers were very useful to me. They gave me the minutest details of all the answers, and I got so used to writing the papers at UT every time because they had so many test series that whenever I gave the exam, it was like a piece of cake.
You know, I would like to just tell that UT has done a wonderful job in the sense is the vacation batch itself was a star performer according to me.
Okay.
And you have done each and every help to my child as well as the other kids as well, because you went into the deep, difficult sessions of the course, and then the speed also increased for my son. He was very slow in writing, but the test series which you did really increased his speed immensely, and I wish that you still continue to do this.
Thank you very much. Thank you for your words of appreciation. Thank you very much.
Success, a word which everyone thinks of, a dream which everyone wants to fulfill, but a reality which very few people have achieved.
Mr. Anubhav sir's tips about backward reading were quite helpful. Even the test series were quite effective because there were so many questions that helped me.
UT's pattern was very good. The whole year UT was reliable with us. When I am calling to Pushkarni madam, she was so helpful to me. One day उसको एक क्यूरीज थी मैथमेटिक्स में, तो हमको जो UT ने हेल्प किया, UT में वाशी में मेरा बेटा जब आया तो उसको 4 to 5 आवर्स उसके क्यूरीज सॉल्व करने के लिए UT ने दिए थे. और लास्ट ईयर मैंने क्विज कंपटीशन जीता था, उसमें हमें UT से टेस्ट सीरीज फ्री मिला था और 6,150 रुपीज़ हमको रिटर्न मिले थे. और इसका फ़ायदा UT का फ़ायदा बहुत कुछ हुआ, जिससे मेरे बेटे को मैथमेटिक्स में 90 मार्क्स मिले.
The teachers here are outstandingly brilliant and mind-blowing, and no words to describe them. They taught me brilliantly, and until I understood everything, everything was clear to me.
I, being a test series student, really regret that I didn't join the full series of UT, because I'm sure if I'd only joined, if I get this much success joining the test series, I'm sure I would have done greater, I would have achieved greater things if I had joined the full UT batch.
Universal Tutorials was the name suggested by my parents a year ago. When my parents asked me to join UT, I thought they'd help me to mark the textbooks. On the contrary, UT helped us to understand and admire the subject.
The test which I gave here proved to be a real asset to me in the board exams. Most of the questions were repeated in the board